Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. There's Mike, always floating around the background. What's up, Mike? Alright, let's jump straight into this because it is hot today. So there's a heat wave kicking off here today. So I'm probably going to do this as quick as I can. I've got to try and keep me and this guy over here cool. And underneath this tarp, underneath the roof here, she gets hot. Alright, so I finally got my hands on a GT. I've been wanting to do a GT for a while. I know it's not a high-end GT, but it was found it on the old Gumtrees. No, I didn't found it on Marketplace. First bike on Marketplace. So I've been sleeping on Marketplace a bit. Nothing on Gumtree in the budget for a while. Jump on Marketplace, find this guy about 15 minutes from my house. So that's pretty much why I ended up getting this that I did. Oh, and it was in the budget, the purchase budget. Maxed it out, but it was still in the budget. So quickly, if you're new to the channel, I buy these bikes. Rough, fair, good condition. I set myself a $50 purchase budget, which this one fell right on the $50. Bring them back here, and then I put some parts on them and make it my own. And hopefully give some people out there some ideas. But anyway, let's get into it because it's hot. Right, so this is I've written some specs down here. So it's a 2012 GT Air, forged steel one-piece crank. I'm gonna try and keep this steady as I can. Forged steel one-piece crank. It's got a 33 tooth front sprocket. It has 7.5 inch bars. It's got a 13 tooth Odyssey cassette on the back. It's got a little bit of surface rust, so I could probably get off, but I'm not doing that today. Seats like new. What else have I got? GT top load stem. Oh yeah. GT dirt tread, 20 by 2, 125. And the LXG 303 rims, which are pinned alloy rims. That's what I've written down. It's a pretty clean bike. This is how I got it. I've just taken the front tire off to sit on the bench. It's got a lot of grease on it in the corners. Once I clean it off, let's give this a good clean, it'll come up new. So as we do it here at the shop, you know how we do it. So I've got myself some 9-inch salt bars. We've got the standard 20 by 2.4 tyres. We're going to chuck on this thing. We've got some Federal tubes, some Federal grips, and then at the end we slap this guy on there as usual. So I've got a new batch of stickers, boys, round ones. Oof, I reckon they look better than squares. What do you reckon? So I think I'm going to go make this the first bike on the channel where we run no brakes. Yeah, I just want it to look as clean as I can. Now this is all, I can't be bothered getting all this rust off. And I reckon I'll just look sick with these bars, the big tyres. We're going to get rid of this, we're going to get rid of that. The bars are coming off, brakes are coming off, tyres are coming off. Little sneak peek, these GT tyres. If you can read that sticker there. Ooh. Nearly 25-year-old, if you can't blame you, but these tyres are going to go in here. Ooh, might have seen that big one sticker then. And I did rob the salt bars off the Eastern. I put the Eastern back to stock. So it's just going to be sitting here, so I'm not riding it. So that's another good way to save money, boys. If you're not riding something, and you find something you are going to ride, just swap the parts around. So I've saved money on bars. And then always a good thing to do is subscribe to your local bike shops, because I've got these on Black Friday sales. And I've got a pair of tyres inside that I'm saving for the new year to start the year off, but on a new build. But two of those, $11 each, tubes $4 each, and the tyres inside I'll show you in the new year when we do that build. But there we go, 012 GT Air. Man, it's hot. You going in there, mate? Alright, so I think I've run through everything. I was going to run through all this stuff sitting over here. Throw some ideas at you, but it's too hot. So I think I'm just going to get this. I'm going to leave you guys here, and then I'll come back when this is all done. Show you what we've come up with, and then we'll do the usual. Run through all the costs, complete total, do the bounce test as usual, and then end it with making it official. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, here's a quick update, boys. We're up to, man, the weather is brutal today, so I'm just in and out of the shop, trying to keep me and the dog cool. Just chilling over there on the concrete. So, got the brakes off. Decided to run no brakes. Sussing these spacers out now. So this is a 10mm spacer. So it looks like it's got a 6mm. I think someone's added a 1 or 2mm on top of that. So So I'm going to take these off. I'm going to put this 10mm on and then put that little one back on to give us a bit more height. Yeah. So if you're chasing that extra bit of height in your bars, boys, have a play with your spacers. You'll get a little bit of height, not much, but it all helps. Alright, quick update. I'll get back into it, then I'll see where we're at the next visit. Alright, another quick update. We've got tyres on rims. Oof. This 2.4 is looking nice. Got the seat where I want it. Got the brakes off like I said before. I've got the spacers in. So always check on the top of the head stem in the fork there. I don't know if you can see it. In there. Be at least halfway on that bolt, if that makes sense. Not below the bolt, up halfway. At least halfway. So we've got space there. I'm getting ready for grips. Oof, this thing's coming up nice. Like I saved the grips, boys. The old hairspray. Slide them straight on there. And then they tack up real nice. Alright, tires. Put some oil there. Just having a better look at this chain. That back sprocket. She's dry. Yeah, getting there. Slowly. Alright, back to it. Alright boys, we're back at it again. Oof. So the bench is clean. Tools away. Mike's chilling. Let's go check out this spicy unit. Oof. And slap this new sticker on, make it official there. Let's go. Here it is. That's nice. It's one GT and one dog. Right. They come out sweet. Right, so let's go on into the bounce list. A quick run through what we did. Go a day. It's on breakfast heat. Absolutely smashed. Right. So we went from, what did I say, 7.5 inch bars to 9 inch salts. Biggest spaces. Went from 2.125s to 2.4s. And those babies just fit in there. Oof. Now look about. Oh, and the federal grips. These things are spicy. Federal. Oof. 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 Yeah, this thing came out sweet, no brakes. First no brake build at the shop. And it looks good. So 2012 GT Air. Alright, quickly cost wise. Bike was $50. Already had the bars. Grips were 11. Thanks to Lux BMX. Black Friday. Ooh. Already had tyres. And already had tubes. Didn't end up using those federal tubes. I just had some hanging up over there, so I just grabbed them. So 50 and 11. $61. You could say, oh, you got bars, you got tyres, because I bought them, but they're from old builds, they're spares. And specifically going blind for this build, so I don't know. I don't care. GT, on in short. Right. Let's give it a bounce. I think I'm shaking something for you too. These first videos, I was bad. Alright, ready? Bounce test. Ooh, hear that? Ooh. Sounds good. We'll try. Alright, that's the bounce test done. Reset, reset. Come on here. There you go. That's what we do. Get yourself a decent bike. Get yourself some big tires, big bars. You get it. Right. Where's your good sky? Do that. Zoom right in. Ooh. We're in there. Yeah, let's go there. Right. Swap it over. Camera set up. There you go. Alright, just a sec. Take it back. Got it. Got it. Get out of here. Alright, put that camera there. Try not to go up. Look at those. How about that? Alright, get down. Save it. Ooh, that's nice. Here's now. Unofficial part of the shop. Alright, there we go, guys. All done. I'll put some oil on that chain too. She was dry. Still is dry. Oh well. Alright. There we go. 2012 GT Air. New bars, tyres, no brakes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hopefully it gave you some ideas, some motivation, and do a build, or do an upgrade, or just get back on your bike, whatever. Get working out on the shop. But yeah, I've been rambling for 8 minutes now, I see on the camera, so I'm gonna go. Alright, cheers for watching, see you in the next one. Peace.